Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the world of table tennis to bring you the best ping pong rackets for 2023. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, finding the right racket is crucial for optimal performance. We've done extensive research and testing to narrow down the top contenders. Get ready to upgrade your game with our expert picks and discover the ultimate ping pong rackets for the year ahead. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The Stiga Pro Carbon Performance Level Table Tennis Racket is a top-notch choice for tournament play. Crafted with precision and expertise, this racket combines the latest technologies to deliver exceptional performance. The nano composite and ACS technologies create a powerful and elastic smooth inverted S5 rubber that generates high speed, spin, and control, making it perfect for competitive matches. The racket features Stiga's crystal and WRB technologies, resulting in a lightweight yet durable blade that offers faster returns, increased power, and enhanced touch sensitivity. The 7-ply blade consists of 5 layers of balsa wood and 2 layers of integrated carbon fiber, providing a larger sweet spot and cleaner hits. With a 2mm sponge, this racket offers superior precision and control. With performance ratings of 99 for speed, 100 for spin, and 80 for control, the Stiga Pro Carbon ensures an exhilarating playing experience for professional-level players. Stiga's legacy of quality craftsmanship shines through in this exceptional table tennis racket. Number 2. The Idoraz Ping Pong Paddle Professional Racket is a remarkable choice for players aiming to elevate their game. With its sturdy construction and thick TF-approved rubber, this paddle enhances your performance to the next level. It excels in spin with a rating of 93, offering exceptional balance and control. The rubber provides excellent grip, allowing you to effortlessly put spin on the ball, while the smooth handle ensures easy maneuverability. Speed and balance are the standout features of the Idoras ping pong paddle. Boasting a speed rating of 99 and a perfectly balanced frame, these qualities make it an ideal choice for recreational players seeking a fast-paced game. Additionally, the paddle offers impressive control, with a 90 rating and a 2.0mm rubber coating, making it suitable for delivering powerful shots accurately. Overall, the Idoraz Ping Pong Paddle Professional Racket is a premium table tennis paddle that combines speed, spin, and control, making it a fantastic choice for players looking to improve their game. Number 3. The Steger Raptor Performance Ping Pong Paddle is a high-quality table tennis racket that delivers exceptional performance for players of all skill levels. Crafted with a 7-ply carbon fiber blade, this paddle offers a perfect blend of speed, power, and control. The combination of nano composite and ACS technologies in the TF-approved inverted S5 rubber provides outstanding spin, speed, and elasticity, making it ideal for tournament play. Stiga's crystal and WRB technologies further enhance the racket, resulting in a hardened yet lightweight blade that offers faster returns, increased power, and enhanced touch sensitivity. The precision blade features 5 layers of lightweight balsa wood and 2 layers of high-performance integrated carbon fiber, along with a tuned sponge that creates a larger sweet spot for cleaner hits. With impressive performance ratings of 99 for speed, 100 for spin, and 80 for control, the Steger Raptor is a top-notch choice for competitive play. Stiga's legacy of superior craftsmanship and innovation is evident in this exceptional table tennis racket. Number 4. The Prospin Ping Pong Paddle with Carbon Fiber from the Elite Series is a game-changer for table tennis enthusiasts. Developed and tested in collaboration with professional coaches and athletes, this paddle is designed to instantly enhance your game. Whether you're a beginner or advancing to a higher skill level, this racket is suitable for all players. The 7-ply blade construction includes 5 layers of premium wood and 2 layers of carbon fiber, combined with a 2.0mm sponge, providing the perfect balance between offense and defensive control. This paddle offers a larger sweet spot, resulting in improved precision, power, speed, and control. It has been highly recommended as the #1 ping pong paddle by Sports Illustrated. With its lightweight and comfortable concave pro handle design, this paddle offers exceptional comfort, allowing you to play for hours without strain. The handle's inner core carbon tube reduces vibrations, leading to better shot control and accuracy. Overall, the Prospin Ping Pong Paddle with Carbon Fiber is a top-tier choice for players seeking to elevate their game. It delivers superior performance, comfort, and control, making it a fantastic investment for table tennis enthusiasts of all levels. Number 5. The Nibiru Sport Ping Pong Paddle Sets are a fantastic choice for table tennis enthusiasts. This high-quality bundle includes 4 table tennis rackets, 8 ping pong balls, and a convenient portable case for easy organization and transportation. Constructed with 5 layers of crack-resistant wood handles, these paddles offer durability and a comfortable grip. The flared handle design ensures a secure hold and is sweat-proof, keeping your hands clean during intense play. Each paddle features durable rubber padding that is securely set with glue, preventing peeling or rubbing off. The spongy and inverted surface rubber provides excellent spin on all types of tables, enhancing your gameplay. Designed for both indoor and outdoor play, this set is suitable for players of all ages and skill levels. The included 3-star white and orange ping pong balls are crafted with thick and durable ABS material, making them ideal for amateurs, beginners, and professionals alike. Overall, the Nibiru Sport Ping Pong paddle sets offer great value with their quality construction, versatile gameplay, and complete set of accessories. Whether you're playing for fun or engaging in competitive matches, this set is a reliable choice for endless table tennis enjoyment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Click on the links in the description to find out more about the products.